Hey guys, it's Kayla with Gaines Organizing, back with another video. Today I'm going to go ahead and give you a tour of my son's room, so let's go ahead and get started. Alright guys, so when you enter my son's room, he does have this basketball hoop here on the back of his door. We did get this from Walmart. It was about $10. He's a big basketball fan, so we get plenty of use out of that. So turning this way, you have his bed and his nightstand. We got these two from Ashley's for about $400 for both, if you're interested. The bedspread is from Walmart. We paid about $15 for it, inexpensive, and he likes it. So, if you follow us on social media, we just grabbed this slab for a great deal, so we went ahead and put that there. He has a plant right here that he asked me for the other day. It's from Walmart. It's about $4, and we have this little pot that I have it in. It's actually from the Dollar Tree, so it was only $1. He has his trophy and his Bluetooth speaker here. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how we've organized his nightstand. Okay, so in his top drawer here, we have his Nintendo, the charger, a Nintendo DS. We do have this Brain Quest. He got it for Christmas. It's just a bunch of questions. His dad and him like to do that, so that he keeps that in there. He has his wallet, his Fitbit, and a necklace. And he also has his phone charger here. I did get this organizer from the Goodwill. It's actually meant to be used in the kitchen for utensils, but I'm using it here. It fits perfectly and it serves a purpose. So again, we keep it simple, just stuff that he uses when he's hanging out at his room. So let's go ahead and move on to the second drawer. In here he has a binder with all his trading cards. They're nice and organized in there. He does have his action Bible, which he likes to read before bed, so we keep that in there. So let's go ahead and head over to his closet. Okay guys, before I head over to his closet, I want to mention this bin here. He does have his toys in here. We haven't came up with an organizing system yet for him, so as soon as we get that done, we'll go ahead and post another video, but for now, they're just in there. So let's go ahead and head over to his closet. Okay, so up here, we do have his dress shirts. Going this way, we have his sweater shirts. And going here, we have his jerseys. Everything is color coordinated. Going down here at the corner, he does keep a backpack. He does have a lot of soccer tournaments, so he just takes that with him in the truck. Here we have some hangers. These are here because every time we take off an item of clothing, we do put the hanger here. When it's time to do laundry, I just grab these and go. It makes it so much easier. Here we have his short sleeve shirts. And over here we have his long sleeve shirts. Everything is color coordinated. I want to mention these hangers. I did spend some money on these hangers. I spent about $10 for 25 of them. They are a little more expensive. However, I did spend the money because they do save a lot of space versus the other ones. So I'm going to go ahead and insert a picture of the difference in there. So behind me, we have these Dollar Tree bins, again with Dollar Tree labels, just attached with some twine. He has muscle shirts in here, his shorts, pajamas, briefs, socks, and so forth. He is tall, so he's able to easily pull these in and out and get what he needs. Down here we do have a laundry basket, and when he gets ready, he puts his laundry in there, and when it's time to do his laundry, I just grab it and take it to the laundry room. We keep his jeans up here again, and right here we have a Larry Fitzgerald. We did attend his Larry softball game. We did have a great time there, so he keeps that there. Right here we do have hangers for every day of the week. On Sundays, I iron everything for the week and I go ahead and hang them up on these hangers that are labeled. So it's toward the end of the week, so these are all empty. But on Sunday, I'll go ahead and we'll put him back. So again, these are here in the morning. It makes it so much easier for him to get ready. He just grabs whatever's on the hanger and everything like that. So again, here we have only 3 left because it's the end of the week, but that's about it. So this is his closet tour. Again, it's fairly large, but we keep it very simple, just what he needs. All right, guys, I do want to mention where we keep his shoes. I actually got this idea from Brittany at Vazier Beauty. She actually used a canvas. I couldn't find a canvas, and I didn't want to spend money on one and just put shoes on it. So what I did was I went to the Dollar Tree, and I bought this foam board here. It was only $1. So my son's able to put his shoes on it and slide it in and out. It's very easy for him to use. So we keep his shoes right there. Alright guys, that is it for my son's room tour. Don't forget to visit our website, gamesorganizing.com. Subscribe to our channel and follow us on social media. Stay tuned for more organizing videos, and we'll see you next time.